Tipramatha party secured a massive victory in the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council TTAADC elections, winning 24 out of 28 seats and decisively defeating the BJP. Compared to the previous election, the party increased its seat share while BJP's number declined. Following this significant win, Tripuramotha Supremo Pradyut Kishore Debbarma met Governor Indrasena Reddy Nallu at Lok Bhavan on Saturday, demanding the formation of the district council. Accompanying him were CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia, General Secretary Brishyaketu Debbarma, winning candidate Runial Debbarma and CK Jamatia. After the meeting, addressing the media, Pradyut Kishore stated that they had formally placed the demand before the governor, who will now initiate the process and issue a notification. The district council will be formed once the notification is released.
कल आपको मालूम था कि हमारा TTAADC का रिजल्ट निकला है एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल का जो कस्टोडियन है वो हमारे गवर्नर हैं, जिसके लिए आज एज अ courtesy visit we have come along with my CM, PM, Minister and elected member as well, CK Jamatia. हम लोग आए हैं एज अ courtesy visit to meet the government.
Responding to a question, he said that the people have answered the opposition's allegations through their vote. He added that the party's success reflects the love and trust of the people as they stood firmly for the future and rights of their community without compromise. He assured that the party would work even harder in return for the support.
जवाब दिया, पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स कुछ भी बोले, पब्लिक ने हमको इतना प्यार दिया है, बहुमत दिया है. अब मैं आपको एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ कि दिस इज़ बिकॉज वी हैव स्टूड अप फॉर आवर पीपल्स फ्यूचर राइट्स एंड वी हैव नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज. आने वाले दिन में मैं अपने लोगों को एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मैं 3 गुना और ज़्यादा काम करूँगा और मैं अपने लोगों को बिट्रे नहीं करूँगा.
Expressing regret over post-election clashes in some areas, he thanked the state police for taking prompt action. He emphasized that political differences should not turn citizens into enemies and that democracy gives people the right to vote freely. He also warned that internal divisions could be exploited by external forces. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.